Mosquitoes galore. I tell you, this place is just chock full of mosquitoes. So, in order for me to do anything worthwhile out here, I have got to put on my off. And I don't know, some of you might not even know what off is. Off, it's a brand name. It's actually a S.C. Johnson and Family Company off, and this one's called Deep Woods Insect Repellent, long-lasting protection from mosquitoes, ticks, biting fleas, gnats, and chiggers. Repels mosquitoes that may carry Zika, dengue, or West Nile virus. But anyway, you give it a good shake. I'll show you how I apply my off. I have to do this, otherwise those mosquitoes will eat me alive. So, in fact, there's a bunch of them around me right now, mostly down around my pants. But I take this stuff, shake it up, spray it on and rub it in. Even though I'm wearing long sleeves, even though I got long sleeves, and I will be putting them back down, those mosquitoes will get up in there and bite me. All right, so there's another thing I do right here. This really works. Spray it on my hand. I do this, and then I rub it in. Every little spot you don't get the stuff on, the mosquitoes will just devour. Oh, and for those of you that have bald spots, remember, if you forget your bald spot and you're not wearing a hat, those mosquitoes will eat up your head. Ain't nothing worse than having a sunburn and mosquitoes eating up your head. That's why I like to wear a cap. So, this stuff saves the day. Alright, now I can be out here and I can get work done without being harassed by a million little mosquitoes. So, alright, now I can get some work done. By the way, did I happen to tell you I got some work to get done?